The voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness is. Option is given repression, regression, suppression, sublimation. So correct answer is option C, suppression. The voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness is called as suppression. So correct answer is option C. Let's see next question. Next question is given. National Mental Health Program was launched by Government of India in the year. Option is given 1981, 1985, 1990, 1982. So correct answer is option D, 1982. National Mental Health Program was launched by Government of India in the year 1982. Let's see next question. Next question is given. The inability to recognize or describe one's emotion or mood is. Option is given alexithymia, anhedonia, apathy, autism. So correct answer is alexithymia. So the inability to recognize or describe one's emotion or mood is known as alexithymia. Let's see next question. Next question is given. Exaggerated concern over his bodily health is known as. Option is given obsession, delusion, hypochondriasis, conversion. So correct answer is option C, hypochondriasis. The exaggerated concern over his bodily health is known as hypochondriasis. So correct answer is option C. Let's see next question. Next question is given. Writing or pictorial art whose sole aim is arouse the sexual passions of the reader or viewer is called. Option is given pornography, incest, seduction, promiscuity. So correct answer is option A, pornography. Let's see next question. Next question is given. Milieu was developed by. Option is given Sigmund Freud, Erikson, Jean Piaget, Maxwell Jones. So correct answer is option D, Maxwell Jones. So milieu was developed by Maxwell Jones. Let's see next question. Next question is given. An illusion of recognition in which a new situation is incorrectly regarded as a repetition of a previous memory is called. Let's see next again question. An illusion of recognition in which a new situation is incorrectly regarded as a repetition of a previous memory is called. Option is given amnesia, deja vu, parmnesia, dementia. So correct answer is option B, deja vu. An illusion of a recognition in which a situation is incorrectly regarded as a repetition of a previous memory is called as deja vu. So correct answer is option B. Let's see next question. Next question is given. Fear of stranger is. Option is given xenophobia, zoophobia, algophobia, acrophobia. So correct answer is option A, xenophobia. Fear of stranger is known as xenophobia. Fear of stranger is known as xenophobia. Let's see next question. Next question is given. Suture present between two parietal bones is known as. Option is given coronal suture, lambdoid suture, sagittal suture, frontal suture. So correct answer is option C, sagittal suture. So suture present between the two parietal bones is known as sagittal suture. Let's see next question. Next question is given. Number of arteries present in umbilical cord. So question is asking number of arteries present in umbilical cord. Option is given 1, 2, 4, 3. So correct answer is option B, 2. So number of arteries present in umbilical cord is 2. Let's see next question. Next question is given. Primary PPH starts within. Option is given first 24 hour, first 12 hour, first 48 hour, first 10 hour. So correct answer is Option A, first 24 hour. Let's see next question. Next question is given assessment of Apgar score is done within. Option is given 1 minute and 3 minute, 1 minute and 5 minute, 1 minute and 10 minute, 1 minute and 7 minute. So correct answer is option B, 1 minute and 5 minute. So assessment of Apgar score is done within 1 minute and 5 minute. Let's see next question. Next question is given placenta having two complete and separate lobes, each with umbilical vessel called. So option is given circumvallata placenta, secretariat lobe of placenta, tripartite placenta, bipartite placenta. So correct answer is option D, bipartite placenta. So placenta having two complete and separate lobes, each with umbilical vessels, is called as bipartite placenta. Let's see next question. Next question is given using Naegele's rule for a client whose last menstrual period begins on January 7th. The nurse determined that the client estimated date of child birth is. So correct answer is option D, October 14th. Let's see next question. While performing abdominal palpation, which action would the nurse ask the client to perform to ensure optimal comfort and accuracy? Option is given breathe deeply for 1 minute, empty her bladder, drink a full glass of water, lie on her left side. So correct answer is option B, empty her bladder. Let's see again question. While performing abdominal palpation, which action would the nurse ask the client to perform to ensure optimal comfort and accuracy? Its correct answer is empty her bladder. Let's see next question. Next question is given in India, Mental Health Care Act was passed on. Option is given May 2014, August 2013, April 2013, October 2014. So correct answer is option C, April 2013. So Indian Mental Health Care Act was passed on April 2013. Let's see next question. Next question is given normal serum lithium level is. Option is given 0.8 to 1.2, 0.4 to 2.0, 0.2 to 2.0, 2.0 to 2.5. So correct answer is option A, normal serum lithium level is 0.8 to 1.2. So correct answer is option A. Let's see next question. Next question is given posterior frontanella closed by. Option is given 18 weeks, 10 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks. So posterior frontanella closed by 6 weeks. So correct answer is option C. Let's see next question. Next question is given violet blue discoloration of the vaginal membrane is called. Option is given probable sign, Hager sign, Osiander sign, Jacquemeyer sign. So correct answer is option D. It is called as Jacquemeyer's sign. So violet blue discoloration of the vaginal membrane is called as Jacquemeyer's sign. So option D is correct answer. Let's see next question. Next question is given the vitamin present in human colostrum that prevent hemolytic anemia is. Option is given vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. So correct answer is option D. It is vitamin E. So the vitamin present in human colostrum that prevent hemolytic anemia is known as vitamin E. Let's see next question. Next question is inflammation of the breast tissue is known as. Option is given mastitis, encouragement, breast abscess, mastocytitis. Correct answer is mastitis. So mastitis is the inflammation of the breast tissue. Let's see next question. Next question is given lanugo appears on dash weeks. Option A is given 20, option B is given 24, option C is given 12, option D is given 16. So lanugo appears on 20 weeks. So correct answer is option A. So remember it, lanugo appears on 20 weeks. Let's see next question. Next question is given failure to achieve organism resulting from complete absence of sexual desire is known as. Option A is given vaginismus, impotence, frigidity, ejaculatory. So correct answer is option C, fragility. So fragility is the failure to achieve organism resulting from complete absence of sexual desire. Let's see next question. Next question is given in phase presentation the denominator is. Option A is given mentum, option B is given occiput, option C is given acromion process, option D is given no denominator. So correct answer is mentum. Mentum is the phase presentation of the denominator. Let's see next question. Next question is given calciferol deficiency results to. Option is given night blindness, angular stomatitis, rickets, scurvy. So correct answer is option C, rickets. So calciferol deficiency results to rickets. Let's see next question. Next question is given World Health Day is celebrated on. Option is given April 10, April 9, April 2, April 7. So correct answer is World Health Day celebrated on April 7. So correct answer is option D. On April 7, World Health Day celebrated. Let's see next question. Next question is given incubation period of chicken pox is. Option is given 10 to 21 days, 1 to 7 days, 8 to 14 days, 14 to 21 days. So correct answer is option A, 10 to 21 days. Incubation period of chicken pox is 10 to 21 days. Let's see next question. Next question is given what is used to find out the amount of residual chlorine in water. Option is given ozonation, ultraviolet irradiation test, Horrocks apparatus test, ortholadine test. So correct answer is option D, ortholadine test. Ortholadine test used to find out the amount of residual chlorine in water. Let's see next question. Next question is given National Health Policy has been formulated and accepted by central government in. Option is given September 2000, September 2007, September 2002, September 2010. So correct answer is September 2002. So correct answer is option C. National Health Policy has been formulated and accepted by central government in September 2002. Let's see next question. Next question is given immunity level exhibited by a group of individual or a community towards a particular disease is called as. Option is given acquired immunity, natural immunity, herd immunity, passive immunity. So correct answer is herd immunity. So immunity level exhibited by a group of individual or a community towards a particular disease is called as herd immunity. Let's see next question. Next question is given the first contact point of community with medical officer. Option is given home, primary health center, community health center, district hospital. So correct answer is primary health center. So the first contact point of community with medical officer is primary health center. So option B is correct answer. Let's see next question. Next question is an observation that written like a short story is. Option A is given daily diary, option B is given cumulative record, option C is given family record, option D is given anecdotal record. So correct answer is option D, anecdotal record. So an observation that written like a short story is anecdotal record. Let's see next question. Next question is given the effectiveness duration of CU380A from the day of insertion is dash years. Option is given 5 year, option B is given 10 year, option C is given 7 year, option D is given 15 year. So the effectiveness duration of CU380A from the day of insertion is 10 years. So correct answer is option B.